Hello, my name is Jos Voskuil and today I'm speaking with Arnaud Le Rodallec from an interesting company, ZOOV. Welcome Arnaud, can you tell us something about yourself, your background and the company you're working with?
Hello, Jos. Yeah, sure. So at ZOOV, we are developing a turnkey solution for e-bike sharing that we can provide for different operators in the micromobility industry. We develop everything in-house, so both the hardware, the software and the data part, to be able to help the operators to manage the fleet efficiently and also to provide the best user experience. Me, myself, I'm one of the co-founders of the company and I'm supervising all the development from the hardware to the software.
Okay, interesting new business model and future and sustainable, I believe. So great to hear that. What I heard is that you were working with CATIA on the 3D Experience platform in the cloud. Can you give us some insights of what type of data you are creating and what are your experiences with implementing this solution?
Yes, so at ZOOV we develop both the mechanical part of the bike, but also all the integration of the different components and especially the electronics. So we design many parts of the bike. We design the frame, we design some plastic parts, and CATIA is here to help us do this design in a quick way. And also all the cloud platform helps us manage the folders, to have a structured hierarchy, to be able to manage some different revisions of the different parts. And this is very helpful for us to do some quick design, quick prototyping, and also to communicate efficiently with our partners and suppliers.
As I understand that you are in the early stages of a startup, not yet in the full PLM scope, but collaboration is already starting to become important. What about the impact of COVID on the ways of working for your organization?
Yeah, it's true that it has been kind of a tough year for us. However, we managed to switch efficiently to working collaboratively in the distance because we are all about managing on the cloud. So all our files are on the cloud, which help us to iterate. You can share with some other person internally. We have the ability to do some quick renderings, to do some drawings, generate drawings very quickly from the 3D files. And this was very helpful for us to use the cloud to be able to share files and to iterate while not being next to each other in the open office as we are usually.
How easy was it for you, your designers, to start working in this collaborative mode?
I mean, we were kind of already in this mode since the beginning. The reason why we chose the 3D Experience platform was really to be able to have everything in the cloud and not on a specific computer that stays at the office. So that was really something we went to from day one. But I would say this year it really became the whole power of it. So it was really the continuity, and I think that showed us that was a good choice.
Okay. And at this stage you are working with the 3D Experience platform on the mechanical design mainly, you said, and the integration of electronic parts. What are your plans for the next steps to address with the 3D Experience platform?
Yeah, I would say one thing that we expect to develop in the coming months and years is really all about the simulation, to do some stress tests and simulations on the different mechanical parts before launching some molds that can be sometimes expensive. So this is for sure one area where we want to, I would say, use more deeply the CATIA experience platform. But another thing is maybe look at some capabilities to manage suppliers, different parts, and help on the supply chain. So that's also something I think we will explore over the next years.
Exactly, because your scope is now very much design-centric. You are in the design. How do you imagine to connect to manufacturing, and how will you do this in the future?
Yeah, I would say something that we'll have to look more carefully into is the connections between the platform and our ERP for managing all the orders and all the accounting. And I would say we have to deep dive into this connectivity. But I think the fact that we are here using a cloud platform is very helpful, because it's, the cloud is all about connectivity, about APIs, and I think that would be helpful for us to go quickly from parts and design to orders, product orders, and then accounting.
Exactly. As a PLM coach, I understand that the more you scale, the more complex and the more processes you want to integrate. Thank you, Arnaud.
Thank you.
See you. Bye-bye.
Okay.